Okay, then you know some of the ways to collaborate, but how do you choose? Well, it's not rocket science. You can simply look at what the objective is for your firm. And this simple model is from the, well, it's not a model, illustration is from the book, the course book. You look at your firm's current position, existing resources and capabilities, and then you look at the firm's desired future position and what necessary resources and capabilities you need for this future position. And in this way you can identify the resource and capability gap. And then the question is, should you go solo or should you go into an alliance? And that depends on the time and the capital. Do you have the capital to do this by yourself? Do you have the time? Or do you need to launch a new product on the market really soon? In the Schilling book, you have this table where you can look at different forms of collaborating and evaluate them according to different variables like speed, cost, control, potential for leveraging existing competencies, potential for developing new competencies, potential for accessing other firms' competencies, and see how they fit. So it actually depends very much on where you are and what you want here in order to choose. What do you intend to do? Do you want to upscale or do you want to develop something? Do you want to produce a new technology or do you want to distribute a new technology? What do you need? What does your company need? Do you have time? Do you have capital? Is it other resources that you lack? How much risk can you take on? What kind of competencies do you have? And what is important for you? Do you have to have control over your own competencies? Or is it more likely that you want to gain and develop core competencies and capabilities by assessing others? So what is important for you? What is your strategy? It can also depend on what kind of company you are, the size. Is it a big established company that has lots of capital and a network and is inflexible? Or is it a small company that is very flexible and technology intensive but does not have a lot of capital and does not have the network and does not have all aspects of competencies needed in order to put the technology on the market? And then you can look at the resource and capability fit. Is it something that is complementary that you need or something that's supplementary? And you can also look at the strategic fit with the other companies or company. Do you have the same or different objectives? Because you're going to be working together, so this needs to be kind of similar. And that was the end of the Strategic Alliances clip. Bye!